Hello, I'm Nick Cook from Marietta, Georgia. I'm a production wood turner, and today we're going to make a spinning top and add a little color and texture to it. So we're going to start with a 2x2 of hard maple. I've put it in a chuck. I've locked it in. I'm going to rough turn it down to a cylinder and then put a tenon on it, reverse it, and put it back in the chuck with a round tenon, which is much stronger than the square corners. So we're going to start out with a 3/4 inch roughing gouge. Use a Bedan tool to put the tenon on the end of it. Remove it from the chuck and replace it. Finish rounding it out. And we're going to switch to a 1/4 inch bowl gouge with a spindle grind on it. That's a catch. First time I've ever gotten one. And to add another dimension to this spinning top, we're going to put a recess here so that there's a little ring for it to ride on. And we're going to put a couple of coves in it. And we're going to use the decorating elf, a little burr that spins on a shaft. We're going to outline that with a couple of little V grooves. And brush that a bit.
That's the best deal you'll ever get. If you decide you want it, sell it.
And use a couple of Sharpies to add some color.
You can't say no. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Yep.
And then we'll finish shaping it. And it will spin like that. And then we're going to step over to the floor and watch how it skates away.